Hi, welcome to Tochi's channel. If it is your first time you like this program, you like my channel, please subscribe and put on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to check it out. In my channel, I talk about life in Germany, motherhood, vlogs. Sometimes I will throw my lifestyle. So in today's video, if you are planning to come to Germany, or maybe you have been in Germany for a very long time, you don't know the don'ts, you don't know what you are not supposed to do in Germany, I am going to discuss it with you right now. I am going to show you the things, the 5 or 6 or 7 things that you don't need to do as a foreigner in Germany that is not good. The number 1 point or the number 1 don't in Deutschland or in Germany is this: do not walk in a bike lane. Yes, it is a crime for you to walk on a bike lane, that is bicycle lane, because their bicycle lane is so sacred to them. Of course, if you walk, don't worry, the biker will remind you by ringing. By then, maybe you are walking comfortably and brain or your mind is absent. By the time they will do you say, ah! Yes, this is the number 1 don't. Do not walk in a bicycle lane in Germany. It is not in as much as you are not allowed to walk in a bike lane, then the biker himself should not also bike in a wrong direction. Do you see how they balance the equation? You are not allowed to walk on the bike lane, and the biker is not also allowed to ride in the wrong. Other don't in Germany is do not grill in the balcony of your apartment. Yes, it's no. You know, unlike Africa or Nigeria where I come from, you can easily come out in front of your house, in front of your balcony, and grill. You know, as you are grilling, you are eating, you are enjoying with your family. But in Germany, you are not allowed to grill outside your balcony because your neighbor is going to come out for you. Hi! Don't you know that you are not supposed to grill here? You know, the first time I came, I think I saw some people doing it, you know, but they don't do it always. I came out at the balcony and the aroma of the grilling, it smells so nice. I was like, this is so sweet. One day I am going to try this. But not knowing that what they are doing is not allowed. So if you are a foreigner, if you are a visitor, or maybe you have been living in Deutschland for a very long time, you have not known that grilling outside your balcony is not good. I am telling you now, it's done in Germany. So I hope you are learning now, because when I came I thought it was normal. But until now, I found out that it is not normal. It is not allowed to grill in your balcony. Another don't in Germany is this: do not walk into somebody's house with your shoes on. Yes, you know, in Africa, that pisses me off because they do it a lot. Even when you are cleaning the house, they will see that you are cleaning the house. Somebody will walk into your house with dirty shoes. You know, you will be like, is this person normal? Should I need to tell him or her to remove his shoe before he removes it? Come to think of it, in a normal circumstances, once you walk into somebody's apartment or house, the first thing you should do is to pull off your shoe. Then they can give you house slippers if they have. But in Africa, they don't recognize it, and it's not good. Except if the person tells you, no, you can put on your shoe. If you go to any German's house, and you refuses to put off your shoe, they might not remind you, but you have offended them. Yes, the way they look at you, they will just look at you as if you are not normal. But when you get there, they will tell you, if you like, you can pull off your shoe. If you don't like, you can put it on. But if you walk in and nobody asks you not to remove your shoe, you better respect yourself and pull off the shoe, because if they should remind you, it's going to be in a negative way. Although they might not insult you facially, but trust me, you have hurt them. So, but I think generally when you go to somebody's house, you need to pull off your shoe. Yeah, because you are coming from outside. Your shoe might have packed a lot of dirt. So you don't want to go to somebody's house and offload those dirt there, right? So as a sensible and a reasonable person, what you should do is this: once you ring the bell and the person's open door for you, as soon as you step in, you clean your leg in the foot mat if there's any, then you should start pulling off your shoes until the person says, no, you can come in. Sometimes I have a lot of them as a friend. When they come to my house, they start pulling off their shoe. I will be the one to say, please leave your shoe on. They will say, no, it's not right. You don't need to put on your shoe in somebody's house. So this is done. If you have a German friend and you have been visiting and putting on your shoe, it's not good. Next time you go, try to pull off your shoe and see if they will ask you to stop. Another don't in Germany is this: do not wish somebody happy birthday before the person's birthday. You know, in Africa, in Nigeria, we do that a lot. Maybe somebody have birthday tomorrow, you can say happy birthday in advance. In Germany, it's not so. They want to reach there. They want to be there before you wish them happy birthday. That's why sometimes if you call them, maybe they have a birthday tomorrow, you will call them and be wishing them happy birthday. They will tell you, until tomorrow, then we will see. They would not accept that greeting until that day. So if you have been doing this, maybe you have a German friend, try it. Before his or her birthday, just wish him or her happy birthday. You will see how they are going to respond. They will not make it look offensive, but then they will say until tomorrow. So you know that they are dodging that wishes that you are giving to them. But if it is on the day of their birthday, when you wish them, they will accept it. So the last but not the least don't in Germany is this: do not cross the red light. Of course, in every traffic, everybody knows that red means stop. Even my son, if you ask him what is the meaning of red, he will tell you red means stop. So, but some people, maybe you are trying to catch up train and light is taking long. You have to run fast to catch it, but you do not do this, especially when children are there, because you are going to hear somebody scolding at you. Why are you doing there? Children are here. You are trying to cross the road on a red light. What are you trying to teach them? What impression are you trying to give them? So if you want to do this, maybe you want to catch up your train, your bus, your taxi, or anywhere, make sure that children are not there. There was a day I wanted to try it. I was going for appointment. You know, the light, and this traffic light sometimes makes you makes it funny. When you are in a haste, the light refuses to come. So I wanted to catch up. I wanted to, pass immediately. One elderly woman said to me, "Do not go. You have a child here." I just I just withdrew myself back until the green light comes. So these are the things that you should not do in Dutchland as a foreigner or a visitor. So I believe somebody found this video useful. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comment down below. Subscribe. Yes, subscribe to this channel so that you'll be getting more information. You can as well share this video with your friends, families, and colleagues. Who knows? They might be in need of it. Until I meet you again in my next video, continue watching Tochi's channel. Bye-bye.